Hi guys, welcome to the Food Monologue Studios. Today we are going to make the sweet potato and carrot soup. Before we start, do subscribe to the Food Monologue channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified about all the future videos. So let's get started without further ado. Ingredients: carrots 2 cup, sweet potatoes 1 cup, onions 1 medium, tomato 1 medium, water 3 cups, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, and bay leaf 1 in number. Ingredients for the garnish: sweet potato pieces half cup steamed, melon seeds 1 teaspoon, sesame seeds 1 teaspoon, pumpkin seeds 1 teaspoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, onion seeds half teaspoon. Now heat up a pan, add the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, now the bay leaf, and dry roast them. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, let it melt, onions, and saute. When the onions have softened, add the tomatoes and give it a nice mix. Saute for some time. Now add the carrots and the sweet potato. Mix it nicely. Add 3 cups of water. Now stir it well and cook covered for 20 minutes. Heat up another pan and add the melon seeds, cumin seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds. Toast them golden brown. Allow them to cool for some time. In the meanwhile, add salt to the sweet potatoes. Grind some fresh pepper. Sprinkle some chili flakes and give it a thorough mix. Now make small balls out of it and refrigerate. Meanwhile, the soup has been boiling for the last 20 minutes. Let us check if the vegetables have cooked. As you can see, the vegetables are nicely cooked. Now remove the bay leaf, add sugar and the salt. Now strain the liquid in a vessel. Separate the stock and the vegetables. Now pour the vegetables into a mixer jar and blend them into a fine puree. Now mix the stock and the puree together. Bring it to a boil and serve hot. Garnish it with cream. Add the sweet potato balls in the soup. And now sprinkle the soup with a mixture of roasted seeds. Sprinkle some onion seeds if you like the taste. If you like the recipe, give the video a like. And here is the sweet potato carrot soup. Enjoy it while it's hot. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.